Hey guys, it's Bella here. In today's video, I created a super natural makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. And I just want to say sorry for being MIA for the last month on this channel. I got sick like 3 times in the last 3 weeks. So I've just been down and out, but I'm back and I'm excited. So yeah, if you want to see how I achieved this makeup look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just used this as a primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid. And then I blended it out with a damp beauty sponge and set it in place with some translucent powder. And the eyeshadow palette that I used is the Gone Matte palette from ColourPop. I absolutely love this palette and I highly recommend it if you're the type of person to only use neutral shades. So the first shade that I used is Shaggy, which is this really beautiful beige shade. And I just put that in my crease, going in back and forth motions all the way from inner corner to outer corner. And this is pretty much going to be like my base for the rest of this look. And then I went in with PJs, which is a really matte pink shade. And I just applied that all over my entire eyelid. And because it's not too different of a shade than the first shade that we went in with, it just kind of blends naturally. And then I went in with Powder Puff, which is a darker matte brown shade, and I started to map out where I want my wing liner to be, kind of like if you're using a liquid liner but just with eyeshadow, and it helps to dampen your brush to have the most pigment with the eyeshadows when you're doing a wing type of look. And then I went in with Snug as a Bug, and I just used that to really diffuse out that line. So I went in with a tapered blending brush and I just did little circular motions and back and forth motions directly over that line to really diffuse the edges out. And this is probably one of my favorite makeup looks. I do this all the time. And the lashes that I used are from Amazon. And then going back into that matte pink shade, I just went on the lower lash line, really smoking it out. And I did want to keep it super natural, so that's pretty much it for the lower lash line. All I did after that was apply some mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!